Hello and welcome to the Closet Quilter. I'm Ellie Miriam and I am the Closet Quilter. Come into my closet. I get a lot of questions about my setup. Well, today is a super special setup. Here we go. This is my setup today with my new camera setup, which you'll have over the head and in front. But you'll notice something else. I have my quilt cockeyed. Why? I'll show you. Here we go. I'm going to put my camera into my holder here on the C-stand. Lock it in place. Okay, it's completely hands-free, secure. And I've got my gooseneck. Let me show you why I have it the way I have it. As you can see, I am working on diagonal lines. And to do that, I would probably have to shift unless I put them on the horizontal. I put my lines on the horizontal so that I can go across as far as I want. To do that, I have to put my quilt in a different position rather than top to bottom or side to side. It's sort of cockeyed so that these are horizontal. Makes it much easier to work on the Cutie frame. That way I can do several lines at a time, up to 3 or 4. It'll be really nice. And I hope this helps you understand the versatility of the Cutie frame, because it really is amazingly versatile. You can literally do anything on this Cutie. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to lock in the back hooks to keep my fabric from getting underneath the needle and causing problems. That's always a consideration when you're on a Cutie. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just hooking everything to the back here. I'm going to close my door so whatever's going on in the house, you don't have to be privy to. And I'm going to take my side clips and clip the backing and the batting to keep it tight. There, now I'm tight. And I can just continue on with my quilting as I need to. Here we go. There. All right. There we go. This is all a new process for me too. And I'm going to tuck my tails. Make sure those tails are out of the way. All right, I'm going to start on my new line here, which is right here. Making sure everything is clear here. And I'll be able to move. All right, I'm going to turn on my machine. Make sure I'm there. And everything's tight. All right. Now, let's okay. Let's bring up that bobbin thread. And there it is. Okay. We are set. Now, I want to move across. So, I'm going to get my 4-in-1 ruler. Right? Setting up against that line. Okay. Going to make sure that it's straight. There we go. can travel. That's as far as I can go. So I'm going to put it up this way. Go along the stitch in the ditch on the edge there. It's beautiful. I hope you can see this. Let me turn this off so maybe you can see. Can you see this? Let's get this like that. There we go. Now I've done 3 rows on here. I'm going to do 1 more above. So that's 1.5 inches. I'm taking the line that I stitched and I'm going to stitch, where is it? Right here. Okay. I'm putting that line against that line, and there you go. Keeping that line straight. All the way over. There. Okay. I've got 3 nice lines. And we'll just keep going. I hope this helps you in your cross-hatching endeavors. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure and comment. I am the Closet Quilter. I hope you have a great quilting day. Thanks for stopping by.